What's up guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today I'm going to show you how to get aerial assault. This is a tutorial and a full showcase, not really, but who cares. First we have to go to lower risk, yeah, pretty easy stuff. I'm talking to you, you piece of shit, you have to know. First, remember, if you can't do a jump, use a base. First we have to go close to Megalodon hideout, or growth, how I like to say. And to your left is going to be a bunch of planks. Somehow you got to break them or find the server which are already broken. There is another way in, but I'm too lazy to show it. Capish? Bone. You have to talk to both persons. It's one here down in the left and one in the middle column. One of them gives you the glider schematic. I don't know which one, who cares, you just talk to both. I'm as clueless as everybody. And you just got to go to the best place of grinding in high quotations. It's going to be pretty easy. You just hope you don't get jumped, but any hunters or bounty hunters, same shit. So, how was your day? How was doing? Mine, very good. So good, I got my Pepsi. And because I got my Pepsi, I kinda now make a video. If not, I couldn't. I took the 2-year break, and I'm probably going to do from now only tutorials because I'm a lazy bitch. And I need to teach my friend how to play because I can't carry his ass. Look, he's right in the left. He was. Not everybody has time to teach somebody, so I'm going to take more time so he can watch this every time he needs it. So I'm going to call this series from noob to better noob. Yeah, pleonasm. Fuck you. I don't give a shit. I'm not a writer. Use a base if you can't get up, but I can easily. Just one thing. Don't get spotted. If you get spotted, run. If you can't run, hide. If you can't hide, you die. And you try again. You got to touch a blue flame. Pretty easy, not bad. Just touch that and come back, no problem. And if you know how to, you know how to get it. So, every time, you should do this every time on every new slot you get in, on every new slot at power 2. But if you get it every time, if you go do it, you get +1 cards, which is pretty nice. The first time you are not going to get any extra cards, but if you already got it, you would. If you are level 20 somehow, the card you're just going to show up and you're going to get them, it's no problem. So, nice. Anyway, just go back, talk to both people and they should give you what you need. Next tutorial is going to be on a Sharko, how to fight him, so you can get to the bird cage to unbound your intel, to be smart enough to understand Rick and Morty. You damn bastard. Go back to China and learn again. You Bing Chiling, you damn bastard. You Bing Cha nigga. Go back and learn Chinese, you damn bastard. If you don't want, I don't care. 我是火星偏手，你你把大，我能把地球跑动。My lawyers recommend me not to introduce that. That's going to be it for today. Goodbye.